Self-care Saturday.
Today's your what?
Self-care Saturday.
Very nice.
Yes, where you do all self-care. Once out of every 2 weeks, take yourself out, go get a drink, get a new outfit, choose it and go be happy. Lash day, see you when I'm there. Before.
Tia, you had a great day.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Tia the hair therapist, all together, one word. Hi, it's beautiful. Y'all already know my baby. Y'all know us. Oh, no, not the computer. Best as I look, please understand, that's my boo. Years. Thank you, years. I want everybody to understand. I took everything off. I tried to wipe it off.
Oh yeah, I forgot you got good lashes.
Befores. Okay. Y'all know the deal. I'm gonna open it back up for one eye. You guys see how bomb my baby is. Please understand, follow her. I'm putting the Instagram name right here. Follow. Sorry if I'm too vulgar, but getting lashes makes your gawk 7,000 turn to 9,000. Get your lashes done so that your man, you feel what I'm trying to say, you can get some throat exercises, because the lashes make you, make him, make us. On that, I want everybody to know that's just a self tip. We'll be back with the next tip. It's all about the lash talks, and I'm only doing my lash talks with V. No other letters. I'm good. Only V. Yeah, that's because y'all looking at my eyelash. Y'all see me? Y'all see me. Just get into it. I'm gonna put a little music behind this so y'all can get into it. It's your girl, Tia the hair therapist. My son is not the seatbelt.
What's up? What Tia the hair therapist? We're their hair therapist and yours.
Ooh, talk my shit, your boy.
Yes, sir. I want y'all to get into it.
Yeah, sir.
Halloween is tomorrow, so we just picked up on masks and everything. Picked up their masks, picked up their costumes. Now it's Best Buy, baby.
On screen.
See you there. JT, Zoe, sit down. Oh, you quit. Yes, sir. Best Buy, baby. I was trying to figure out was she gonna run over me or was she gonna stop. Oh, okay. Yeah, you was gonna stop. All right, guys. So, Best Buy.
Best Buy.
It's either the Panel Mini, because I really need some good lighting, or hello, or just stick to what we know. I'm really starting to think about like stick to what I know. For right now, it's just gonna have to do. Let's see.
See what they look off.
It's a difference.
Yeah, it is.
Free card. Okay. Hold on. Maybe I should see how much the batteries are. I heard somebody just say, hey. Let me find out you're talking to my kids. Oh, okay. Ooh. Which battery do you recommend? Because this battery sucks. We said we want like multiple batteries. Ooh, he's still in it. No, I was kidding. Like some
They're the X series.
X series lithium batteries. X series. They don't look like mine, but I know it would work.
Yeah, we should maybe check the one that's in yours
bye guys.
first.
Don't see the sense. It's my shit. Thanks, babe. What?
Let's go. You don't have to. Come on.
Did you ask him? Did you not see the 2K22 back there? Pointing like he saw something, but he didn't do it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He looked at me because he did, like he didn't tell me.
Guess what? Last person to the car smelled like blood. I want. So right here at the top, you're gonna see me double the tracks. I pretty much just glue the tracks together and then I glue them on top of the cap. These babies is different.
They different. They different. I'm saying 6.
Do you want to end it with a dark piece or you want me just to end it with mine? I think we're gonna end it with. And there we have it, a 27-piece quick weave by Tia the Hair Therapist. Foam is for any flyaways. It's to secure my braids and to give you a crisp finished look. It's the slow-mo for me. Okay, but for real, it's my Freestyle Men's Braids by Tia the Hair Therapist. guys have seen me in some rough moments.
Let's get your cat.
So there's two types. Hey, don't judge the braids because I have a client in like 20 minutes. Start with the body cap. Ooh, baby, that thing is perfect. When you pull it, how I like mine to be pulled is like almost like a raw. Shout out to Valesca with these lashes. You can see I'm not trying to hit them.
Frontal install on Tia the Hair Therapist by Tia the Hair Therapist. You better get into it.